Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a short review of something else. This review is something different from my other reviews. This is not a smartphone, this is not a tablet, this is not a smartwatch and so on. This is a budget soldering iron. I bought this from AliExpress. By the way, the link for this product I leave in the description below. So okay, let's see what he have. By the way, I have this tested already. Well, this means this comes in the box, and let's see what else. Stand. I already put it together, so let's see what. Yeah, and this box was the original box. So let's see what in the box we have. How you can see, little sponge for cleaning, so cleaning stuff, cleaning sponge, and this sponge must goes here. You put this just a little water there and it will be bigger and it's very comfortable to clean the solder iron tips. Okay, what else? Of course, in the package was some Chinese rosin for soldering, and of course soldering wire with the diameter of, you can see, 0.8 millimeters. This is for tiny soldering jobs. 50 grams. How long is this? I don't really know. So, and of course, the one tip was here already, and 4 different tips for for bigger soldering, so very tiny soldering. And here another. Of course, a user manual, soldering iron kit instruction manual. The model name is MH2001. Yeah. How to use, tips and specifications. Nominal voltage you can see here. You see here all specifications. 110 to 2220 volts, 50-60 hertz, power about 18 watts, temperature range in Fahrenheit and Celsius 200 to 450 and so on. Okay. And this is the soldering iron itself. It has a display, temperature regulation button. You can set the temperature you need from 200 to 450 degrees, and on-off button. So I will say so, for bigger or everyday use, professional use, if you have a smartphone or laptop repair center, this is not the right soldering iron. Then you must have them more powerful. This is just for home use, so small soldering works. I already tested it about. What I can say is it warms up very well. So I bought it about €8. It's something like $10 or $11. In link description you will see. It came calm, is very quick. not usual for Chinese. When I say it's worth the money. I don't know how long it will work. Year, maybe 2, but it's not so bad. So that's all I can say about this. Very oh, I forgot. There is another. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in the box. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.